Hello children, are you able to see me live? I hope you guys are able to see me live. Let me check if this is working. Have I put the correct stream key? Yeah. So we'll wait for a few seconds for students to join in and then we will start, children. So we'll wait for a few seconds. Just a second. So I welcome you all for your preparation for Maharashtra State Board exams with Unacademy. And do you know that your favorite educators for SSC class 9 are on Unacademy, children? So welcome you all to my class. My name is Shagufta Jaipury. I am an author, educator, coach, entrepreneur and a YouTuber. I have been successfully running Zenith Academy online and now I am your maths educator on Unacademy. So children, I have done my masters in nuclear and radiochemistry. I have done my B.Ed. I have done diploma in industrial analytical chemistry and have done many courses in education field. I've also won many prizes or many awards in education field like Best Educator Award 2019, 31 Women Achievers Awards and so on. I've even presented my papers, my research papers in many national and international conferences, and I've also published my papers in many journals. I've worked for 13 years in some of the best schools and institutions all over Maharashtra, and I've even corrected board papers for Maharashtra Board. So I'll be in a very good position to help you guys crack your class 9 and class 10 examination. So what are we going to study today, children? We are going to study triangles. So we are studying triangles for class 9 Maharashtra Board. So let's start, children. Let me pick up my pen. Wait. Okay. So we all know what scalene, isosceles and equilateral triangles are. We have been studying it since our early childhood. So let me talk to you about these triangles once again. So what are scalene triangles? Okay, scalene triangles are those triangles which have all the lengths unequal. Suppose this is our triangle ABC. Okay, so if AB is say 7 centimeter, BC is 6 centimeter and AC is 4 centimeter. Okay, then what is isosceles? Isosceles triangles are those which have two sides equal. So suppose if this side is equal to this side and this is a different measurement. So I say triangle PQR is an isosceles triangle. Okay. And what are equilateral triangles? Equilateral triangles are those triangles, my dear children, whose all the three sides are same. For example, if I say XYZ triangle, in this XY is equal to YZ, it is also equal to XZ. So my dear children, scalene, isosceles and equilateral triangles are the types of triangles which differ from each other based on their side length. Okay. So if all the three sides are different in length, then it is a scalene triangle. I have just drawn the example and explained you what a scalene triangle is. Then if any two sides are equal in length, then it is an isosceles triangle. Now children, always remember that in a scalene triangle, since all the sides are different, okay, so all these angles will also be different. Here in isosceles triangles, since I told you this side is equal to this side, okay, then suppose this is A, B and C, then this angle opposite to AC, that is this angle, will be equal to angle opposite to the AB, this angle. So these two angles will also be same. So if I don't know the measure of those two angles, if this is X, this will also be X. Is that clear? So two angles, the angles opposite to the equal sides are also equal. Clear? Now, if, let me check. So if all three sides are equal in length, then it is known as equilateral triangle. I already explained you an equilateral triangle to you. So see here, all the sides are equal. I'm just drawing a rough diagram here. So if this is A, B and C, and suppose all the three sides are same, for example 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 6 centimeter, then all these angles, that is angle A, angle B and angle C, all these interior angles will also be same. So suppose if this is X, this will also be X, this will also be X. So I can write X plus X plus X equal to what? Equal to 180 degree. Why? Angle sum property, correct? Because of angle sum property, or sum of the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So I can say 3x equal to 180 degree. Therefore, x is equal to 180 divided by 3, which is equal to 60. So all the angles of an equilateral triangle are how much? 60 degree. All the interior angles of an equilateral triangle are always 60 degree. Whatever may be the measure of their sides. Is that clear to you guys? Okay, chalo, let's go ahead. So now what is the difference between acute triangle, obtuse triangle and right triangle? Okay, let me change the color of my pen, it's quite boring. Okay, so what is an acute triangle? An acute triangle has all the angles less than 90 degree. Mind it, all of its angles is less than 90 degree. So suppose I draw a triangle like this. Suppose this is 60, okay, this is 80, then what this angle would be? See, 80 plus 60 is how much? 140. So this will be 40, right? To make the sum of all the angles equal to 180 degree. So here you see all the angles 80, 60 and 40. All the three angles are less than 90 degree. So which type of a triangle it is? It is an acute angled triangle. We call it as acute angled triangle or simply acute triangle. Is that clear to you, children? Yes? Is it clear to you guys? Okay. Now, what is an obtuse triangle? Let me change the color quickly. I'm somehow not able to change the color. No issues. Obtuse triangle is one which has any one of its angle. Okay, mind his, earlier it was all the angles are less than 90 degree. Now any one of the angle is greater than 90 degree. So if I make a triangle like this, can you see this angle is definitely more than 90 degree, right? So if I make a triangle like this, say A, B and C. So suppose this is 120 degree, this is 80 degree, no, can't be 80 now, 120, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Okay, so this angle is an acute angle triangle because one of the angle is more than 90 degree. Hello Yash. Then a right angle triangle has exactly one angle equal to 90 degree. Where is my, okay. So what is a right angle triangle? Something like this. See, here exactly one angle is 90 degree. You can see this angle is a 90 degree. So if this is triangle ABC, any one angle is exactly 90 degree. So these two angles can be equal, can be different, whatever. But the sum of all three of them should give you 180 degree. How are you, Yash? So before going ahead with the next concept of triangles, so Yash, we have done what are scalene, isosceles and equilateral triangle, and then we have done certain properties of them, and then we did based on the difference of angles, based on the angles, the triangles are classified into acute, obtuse and right angled. Okay, so now before going ahead with the next concept, let me talk about raise a hand option. So this is an amazing option which is offered to the plus subscribers students. Okay, so all the students who have subscribed get this option. This is an amazing option wherein in a live class you raise your hand to ask live audio doubts in the plus classes. So when I'm teaching triangles, for example, on Unacademy, okay, and if you have a doubt, then you raise the hand. I will invite you in the class. You will talk to me and explain your doubt, and then I will explain you back whatever the doubt is, and I will solve your doubt. So that is a very amazing option where there is no barrier between learning, between the educator and the learner. So, Yash, you have never attended my special free live classes. Have you attended, Yash? My classes on Unacademy, have you attended? I'm fine, Yash. Chalo. So if you have not attended my plus classes, I would request you to attend today. And today there is a free class at 4 p.m. Again there is a free class at 6:30 p.m. So Yash, today at 4 p.m. is a very interesting class where I am teaching linear equations in two variables, elimination method, and at 6:30 p.m. I am teaching you how to draw the standard angles like 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, 45 degree, 135 degree, 165 degree, how to draw these standard angles using your compass. So if you want to enjoy those classes, you can join today completely free of cost on Unacademy. So download the app today itself, use my code SJMAMLive and come in the class. It will be so much fun. You will get to, in the first class, which is at 4 p.m., you get certificates if you answer maximum number of polls. And in the next class, you get to show me your diagrams. I'll check it then and there in the class and show you your mistakes, or if you have done well, all of us will appreciate it. So I want you to join today. Okay. Chalo, let's go ahead with the next topic. So next is angle sum property of a triangle. What is angle sum property of a triangle? It states that sum of the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Okay. So if I take this triangle, okay. Hello Samir. No, Samir, today we are doing triangles for class 9. And Samir, today, is it Samir or is it Angela? No, today 10th class is not there on YouTube, but 10th class is there on Unacademy, the free classes. So if you want, you can attend there. Okay. One is at 4 p.m. where I am teaching linear equations in two variables, elimination method. We will do a lot of sums and I will also give a lot of certificates for the poll. And at 6:30 p.m. we will draw certain angles, standard angles. So join me there today. Okay, completely free of cost, join me there. So angle sum property of a triangle states that all the interior angles, the sum of the interior angles, suppose this is x, this is y and this is z, then the sum of, that is angle x plus angle y plus angle z, will give me 180 degree. Okay, so suppose in this triangle, if this is x, this is suppose x plus 4 and suppose this is x plus 10. Okay, and this is maybe 2x. Then can you find the value of all the sides? Yes, you can do x plus 10 plus 2x. Correct? These all is equal to 180 degree. Correct? So x plus 2x, 2, 3, 4x. 4x plus 10 equal to 180 degree. Correct? So 4x will be 180 minus 10, which is 170. So x is equal to 170 divided by 4. So you can find the value of x here. Okay, similarly, you can find the values of all the angles by substituting this value. Is it clear to you all? Clear? Okay, so let's go ahead. Theorem of remote interior angles of a triangle. This is very important. What do you mean by remote interior angles of a triangle? What does the theorem say? The measure of the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of its remote interior angles. So the diagram here is very important. See this triangle, my dear children. If I extend this side like this, If I extend one of the sides like this, then this angle formed. Okay, suppose this is angle Z. This is angle X. This is angle Y. Sorry, this is Z. So I will take this as maybe angle A. Okay, angle A. So my angle A is the exterior angle. Okay, angle A is what? Angle A is the exterior angle, and the sum of angle and the measure of angle A will be the sum of X and Y. So angle A will be equal to angle X plus angle Y. Why? See, this Z, angle Z is the adjacent angle, है ना? ये A के बाजू वाला है adjacent angle, पड़ोसी. So this is the padosi of A and Z are padosi, so they are called adjacent angles. Okay, whereas X and Y are living very far off, so they are living in a remote area. So this X and Y are known as remote interior angles. Is that clear to you? Remote interior angles. Clear? So exterior angle is the sum of remote interior angles. Now if I make a triangle like this, wait, let me rub this off. Okay, now watch carefully, children. If I make a triangle like this, so if I make this angle 20, make this angle 80, make this angle also as 80. Okay, then what will be the measure of angle X? Can you guys tell me what will be the measure of angle X? Will angle X be equal to 20 plus 80? Will it be equal to 20 plus 80? Please write in the comment section. Please write in the comment section, will it be equal to 20 plus 80? See, this is X. Will it be equal to 20 plus 80? So your answer will be no, because this X is not an exterior angle. Okay, this is not an exterior angle. Many of the students make this mistake of considering this कि ये बाहर है तो this is an exterior angle. No, this, if this line was extended like this, then the whole angle was angle X. But this is not an extension of this line. So this is not an exterior angle of this triangle. So which will be the exterior angle? C. This will be an exterior angle. If I extend this line straight, then this will be an exterior angle, and if I extend this line straight, this will also be an exterior angle. Is that clear to you, my dear children? Clear? Chalo. So going ahead with the property of an exterior angle of a triangle. Okay, so see this property. Sum of exterior angles of a triangle obtained by extending its sides in the same direction is 360 degree. We know that the sum of interior angles is 180 degree. So what will be the sum of exterior angles? The sum of the exterior angles will be 360 degree. Let me draw a diagram and show this to you. So if I extend this line, if I extend this line, and if I extend this line like this. Okay, suppose this is angle 1, this is angle 2, this is angle 3. So angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3 are the interior angles, isn't it? If I see angle X is the exterior angle, angle Y is the exterior angle, and angle Z is the exterior angle. Correct? So if we write the measure of angle X, so what will be the angle X? Will it not be the sum of angle 1 and angle 2? Yes. Will it not be equal to the sum of angle 1 and angle 2? Why? Because angle X is the exterior angle, it is equal to the addition or the sum of the remote interior angles. So I can write angle 1 plus angle 2. Now if you write angle Y, so angle Y, see this one is angle Y. So what are the remote interior angles for angle Y? This angle 2 and angle 3, isn't it? So I can write angle 2 plus angle 3. Correct? Now what is angle Z? If this is angle Z, what are the remote interior angles? See, 2 is the adjacent angle. So the remote interior will be 1 and 3. So I can write angle 1 plus angle 3. Clear? So now if I add them, let me change the color. Okay, so if I add them, I will get angle X plus angle Y plus angle Z is equal to, see, there are 2 times angle 1 is there. Okay, so twice of angle 1 plus angle 2 is also 2 times. So twice of angle 2. Angle 3 is also 2 times. So twice of angle 3. Correct? So I can write twice of angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3. Isn't it? And what is twice of angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3? See, what is the sum of angle 1, 2 and 3? Okay, I am writing it here. Angle X plus angle Y plus angle Z is equal to twice of the sum of angle 1, 2 and 3. So 1, 2 and 3 are the interior angles, correct? So what is the sum of interior angles of a triangle? 180 degree. Very good. So it will be 2 into 180 is 360 degree. So we can say sum of exterior angles X, Y and Z. So sum of exterior angles of a triangle will always be 360 degree. We have proved that. Okay, children? Yes. Let's go ahead and understand what are congruent triangles. Okay, congruent triangles. So children, we have already studied what are similar triangles. Okay, now we will be talking about congruent triangles. So in a pair of triangles, if all the 3 corresponding sides and the 3 corresponding angles are exactly equal, then the triangles are said to be congruent. Okay, so let me draw and show this to you. So if this is a triangle, sorry, let me rub this. So if this is a triangle like this, okay, triangle ABC, okay, suppose this is 50 degree, this is 60 degree. So this one will be how much? 70 degree, correct? And suppose this is 5 centimeter, this is 6 centimeter, this is 9 centimeter. I'm just drawing randomly, okay children? This is not according to the exact measurement. Okay, and if there's another triangle, say PQR, okay, so if there's another triangle PQR such that angle A and angle P, this P are same, that is they both are 70 degree. Also angle B and angle Q are 50 degree. So they are corresponding angles. Angle angle C and angle R are equal. So all the corresponding angles are equal, right? A is equal to P, then your B is equal to Q and your C is equal to R. So we can say they are corresponding triangles. So this is the sign of corresponding triangles. Can you see? So there is an equal sign. Above it there is a sign of similarity. So they are not similar, they are equal. The sides are also equal and the angles are also equal. So if the corresponding sides also, that is AB is equal to PQ, BC equal to QR and AC equal to PR. So if corresponding angles and corresponding sides all are equal, then these two triangles are called as congruent triangles. Is that clear? Okay. Now, but many students make many mistakes in congruent triangles. Let me draw this diagram a little differently. Okay, and then explain this to you. So if I take a triangle like this, okay, this A is 80, this is maybe 50. No, I'll make it 40. Okay, and this is 60. Okay, is the total 180? Yes. So if this is triangle ABC, and if I tilt this triangle a bit, make another triangle like this. Okay, the measurements are not exact, beta. This is 80, this is 40 and this is 60. Okay, so this is P, this is Q, and this is R. Okay. So now this angle, okay, wait, one more thing we will write. If this is 5 centimeter and this is 5 centimeter, okay, this is say 10 centimeter, so this is 10 centimeter, this is 7 centimeter, and this is 7 centimeter. Now, when you look at this, you might feel that no, angle A and angle P are not same, right? So, you might say that these are not corresponding congruent triangles, but my dear children, these two are congruent triangles, just the writing part becomes different. So, angle A here is corresponding to which angle here? Angle A is corresponding to angle R. Are you seeing? So angle A, I will write angle A like this and R like this. Now check, angle B is 60. So here which one is 60? Q. So I will write Q later after this. Then angle C is 40 and here angle P is 40. So now I can write congruency sign only after checking one more thing. See, is AB, see the first two terms AB and see the first two terms here RQ. Is AB and RQ same? Just check, AB and RQ is same. Yes, they both are 5 centimeter. Now check BC, that is the second and the third term, and here also check the second and the third term. Is BC equal to QP? BC is 10, QP is also 10. So yes, also check the last one, A and C, the first and the last one. Is AC equal to R and P? Check, is AC equal to R and P? Yes, AC is also equal to R and P, so I can very confidently write that now these two triangles are congruent. But in case if you write ABC is congruent to PQR, okay, if you say triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR, then my dear children, you are wrong. Okay, so naming has to be very, very proper. Okay, so this is correct. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle RQP. So whenever you are talking about congruent triangles, whenever you are mentioning this congruency statement, this is known as congruency statement. So whenever you are writing congruency statement, you have to be really careful that you have to write the corresponding sides together. Clear to you? Let's go ahead. So is there anyone in the class, because no one is responding? Yash, Samir, are you there? Are you guys there? Because I can see 2 to 3 people watching it, but then I'm not seeing any comments coming up. Oh God, see, it went off. Let me again log in. So now in congruent triangles, let me open this again. So in congruent triangles, the corresponding parts are equal and are written as CPCT. Now what is CPCT, my dear children? Corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Okay, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. So see here. Wait, I'll draw a diagram and explain this to you. So if I draw a triangle like this and another triangle like this. Okay, so if this is A, B and C and this is P, Q and R. Okay, suppose angle A is equal to angle P. Say this is 80. Okay, angle B is 50 and here angle Q is 50. Angle C is then what? 80 plus 50 is what? 90, 100, 110, 120, 130 is already done. So it will 130 is done. So we have to make 180, right? So how much it will be? 50. So this is also 50. Okay, children. So and if AB is 5 centimeter and PQ is also 5 centimeter, BC is 7 centimeter, QR is 7 centimeter, and this is 8 centimeter, and this is also 8 centimeter. Then how do I write corresponding parts of these two congruent triangles? Okay, so first I will have to write the congruency statement. So which statement I will write? So for writing the statement, always measure angles. So angle A, can you see this angle A is corresponding to which angle out of P, Q and R? This is angle A is corresponding to which angle out of PQR? It is congruent to, it is corresponding to angle P. So I will write A here, I will write P here. Now angle B is corresponding to angle Q. So angle B is corresponding to angle Q and angle C is corresponding to angle R. Also you will check these sides. Hello Aryan, you will also check these sides that AB should be equal to PQ. So is AB equal to PQ? Yes. So if it is given, children, listen to me. If it is given, if triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR, then without looking at the triangles, okay, even if these triangles are not given to you, okay, even if these triangles are not given to you, just the statement is given. See, I will rub this off. If only it is given that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR, then can you write the corresponding parts of these corresponding triangles? Aryan, I am good, dear. Why you joined so late? So you can say, looking at the first and second. So AB is first and second here. Here the first and second is PQ. So you can say AB will be equal to PQ. What will be the reason? Since what you will write? You will just write CPCT in the exam. What is CPCT? Corresponding parts of congruent triangles. So even if the measurements are not given, but they have just said that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR, you can write AB equal to PQ. Now what will you write about BC? BC is equal to what? Aryan, can you write what is BC equal to? BC is equal to which side? By seeing this congruency statement, can you tell me BC is equal to what? I am waiting for you, Aryan. Samir, Yash. What will BC be equal to? So BC is the second and the third one. So you have to check the second and the third one here in the congruency statement. So yes, Aryan, it will be QR. Now can you tell me what AC will be equal to? What AC will be equal to? AC will be equal to what, beta? So A and C is the first and the third. So here also you will see the first and the third. First and the third. So AC will be equal to, please write Aryan in the comment section. AC will be equal to PR. Very good. Okay. Now if it is given, okay, if it is given, if angle B equal to 75 degree, okay, and they give you angle C equal to 25 degree, okay, then what will be, okay, then what will be angle P equal to? Can you tell me what will be angle P equal to? If B and C is given to you, what will angle P be equal to? Can you tell me the answer of this question? See, you have to consider that angle B is equal to angle Q. CPCT, the same reason, CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. If B wala is the middle angle, so B will be equal to Q. Okay. C, this angle C will be equal to angle R. Correct? And angle A will be equal to angle P. Correct? So if you can find angle A, if you from this given data, can you find angle A? From this given data, can you find angle A? Yes, you are correct, Aryan. It will be 80 degree. So if I can find angle A by using angle sum property, so angle A is 180 minus 75 plus 25. So 180 minus 100, which is 80. So if angle A is 80 degree, children, angle P will also be equal to 80 degree. Is that clear to you? Clear to you? Yes, Aryan. 80 is the correct answer. Now there is an SSS criteria for congruency. What is SSS criteria? That even if we don't know anything about the angles, but if we know that if there are two triangles, okay, such that if this is 3 centimeter and this is also 3 centimeter, this is 4 and this is also 4, this is 5 and this is also 5. So if we know that the corresponding sides of triangle ABC is equal to the corresponding sides of triangle PQR, then I can say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR by which similarity? By SSS similarity, or we can say SSS criteria, not similarity, SSS criteria. Is that clear? Okay. So these two triangles are congruent. So what do we say? If three sides of one triangle is equal to three sides of another triangle, then the two triangles are congruent even if we don't know anything about the angles. So if all the sides are exactly the same, then the corresponding angles must also be exactly the same. Okay. Now the next criteria is SAS. Read the name very carefully. SAS. So this A is sandwiched between S and S. So if I have a triangle like this and another triangle like this, if we know that the side, this side, okay, this side and this side of this triangle are equal. Okay, suppose this is ABC and this is PQR. So if I say AB is equal to PQ, also if I say this BC is equal to QR, okay, if I say BC is equal to QR, okay, then, and also this angle, suppose this angle is X, and so this angle will also be X. So also the angle is sandwiched between these two sides, isn't it? This angle is sandwiched between these two sides, and so this sandwich angle, if it is also equal, that angle B is also equal to angle Q, then even though we don't know these sides, okay, even though we don't know these angles, then also these two triangles are congruent by which criteria? By SAS criteria. Is that clear to you guys? Okay. Now in the same triangle, many students get confused here. So see here. Watch here carefully. Now suppose it is given, एक minute, let me change the color. If it is given AB is equal to PQ, okay, BC is also equal to QR, okay, but in this is given that angle B is equal to angle P, okay, angle B is equal to angle P, then are these two triangles congruent? Are these two triangles congruent anymore? Are they congruent or not? Please write in the comment section. Will it be congruent anymore or will it not be congruent? Please write. See, there is a lot of lag here in YouTube. So this doesn't happen in Unacademy special classes. There it is the real time interaction. No, Somesh, they both are not congruent. Somesh, they both are not congruent right now because SAS says that this angle should be sandwiched between S and S. So ye side and ye side are equal. Okay. This side and this side are equal. Okay. But here this is the sandwiched angle. But in this case, this is a separate angle, right? The tomato is falling out of the sandwich. So they are not congruent by SAS. For these two triangles to be congruent, angle B should be equal to angle Q and not angle P. Okay? Is that clear to you, my dear children? Somesh, Aryan, is it clear now? Which angle and which sides we have to look? So when I speak and when you respond, there's a lot of gap here. Somesh, have you understood? Your mistake. Okay, so let me erase all the ink. So SAS is understood that A has to be sandwiched between these two S. Now in ASA, you see this S is sandwiched between A and A. That is, side is sandwiched between two angles. So if I take a triangle ABC like this, if this is the triangle ABC and this is the triangle PQR, okay, then angle. So if I am talking about angle B, so if angle B is equal to angle Q, see, angle B is equal to angle Q, they have given. They have also given that angle C equal to angle R. Okay, angle C equal to angle R. Now for them to be congruent by ASA, which side should be same? Which side should be same for both of them? Then only we can apply ASA criteria for congruency. Which side should be same? Please write in the comment section which two sides should be same. This side, should I take this side or should I take this side or should I take this side? Please write in the comment section. So Aryan is saying BC and QR. Yes, because BC and QR are the two sandwich sides. These sides is sandwich between these two angles. Correct? So BC should be equal to QR for me to prove that these two triangles are congruent. So then after we prove that they are congruent, if this angle is given 50 and you are told to find this angle, so you can say that angle A will be equal to angle P. The reason is CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles, because we have been given these three things and we have proved that these two triangles are congruent. Clear, Aryan and Sumesh? Shall I go ahead? Now, the last one is RHS, right angled hypotenuse side criteria. Now, for CBSE and ICSE, we call it RHS criteria, and for state board students, SSC class 9 and 10, okay, we call it as hypotenuse side test. So, either RHS criteria or hypotenuse side test. Why I have shown you this name also? Because if you go on internet, if you go on Google and find the MCQs, you should not be confused with what is RHS. So, RHS criteria is same as hypotenuse side test. It is nothing but we are talking about two right angles. Okay, so whenever there are two right angled triangles like this, okay, see, if in a two right triangles, the hypotenuse and one side of the triangle are equal to the hypotenuse and one side of the other triangle. So we are just looking about the hypotenuse and any one side. So if I am talking about this side, here also it should be this side. Okay, so if these two are same, then we can say that these two triangles are congruent by hypotenuse side test or hypotenuse side congruency, or we can also write RHS criteria. RHS stands for right angle hypotenuse side. Clear? Okay, so now we will go for some poll questions for you. We will do some. You did not understand, Aryan? I will teach this again. Okay, listen. I will rub this and teach you again. So if there are two right angle triangles, okay, suppose this one and this one. Okay, if this is ABC beta and this is PQR. Okay, if it is said that AC is 7 centimeter and PR is also 7 centimeter. So both the hypotenuse are same. Okay, if it is saying AB is 4 and PQ is also 4. Okay, and nothing else is given. We know that these two are right angles because angle B and angle Q are same. Okay, they are both 90 degree. So whenever it is given that these two are right angle triangles, and if only the hypotenuse is given that in दोनों के triangle में दोनों के hypotenuse same है, and any one side is given, then this is 4 and for this also this is 4. Then I can say that these two triangles are congruent. Is that clear now? Aryan, is it clear? So बाकी कोई चीजें दे रखी हो या ना दे रखी हो, even if you don't know angle A and P, even if you don't know C and R, you don't know about BC and QR. लेकिन अगर ये दोनों same है तो obviously this will be same. If this is 90 degree, so obviously the other two angles will be same. Understood? Okay. So now let me tell you that on Unacademy, there's this different batches running on. So this is Zenith batch. Okay, Zenith batch is a full syllabus batch in which I am teaching. I am leading with taking mathematics. Okay, I am the leading teacher teaching mathematics in this batch. Very special educator, Aradhana Gupta ma'am is taking up science. Malia Rastogi ma'am is taking up English. And Lakshmi Nair ma'am is taking SST. And all four of us are delivering our lectures in English. So, if you are a plus course student, if you have taken the subscription, do join our batch. Also, for those who are not very conversant in English, okay, they understand better when the teacher speaks Hindi, then they should go for this Maths Express batch for term 1, okay, taken up by Rahul Bhati sir and Jay Mehta sir, and also Science Express batch for term 1, taken up by Vikram Singh sir and Aradhana Gupta ma'am, okay, because these two is taken in Hindi. These two batches are taken up in Hindi for SSC class 9. Also children, this is very important thing that I want to tell you, that there is a free test series on Unacademy every Saturday and Sunday. Thank you, Aryan. So there is a free test series every Saturday and Sunday on Unacademy children. It's at 12 p.m. and even after the test, you are not just left ke ho gaya test bhai jao. No. After the test also on Unacademy, there are educators who will sit with you and solve the test. So if your test didn't go well and if you want to know the answers, on Unacademy we don't just leave you guessing the answer. No, we will sit with you and will solve with you the whole paper. Okay, so these tests are very good. They are completely free of cost for you, conducted every Saturday and Sunday. So go for these tests. You will need to use my code to unlock this free test. So SJMAM Live is my code. So if you want to unlock this free test, you can use my code and send your brain to gym every Saturday and Sunday. Okay children? Chalo. Now let's come here and see this question. Let's see if we are able to solve these questions. So in a triangle ABC, if angle AB equal to BC and angle B is equal to 70, what will angle A be? Okay. So can you guess? I will wait for Aryan and Somesh to answer this. Whether it will be 70, 110, 55 or 130. So on Unacademy platform in my special class, I do a lot of questions every day. We play polls. So all the students in my class click on whether A, B, C and D, and then I give certificates to top 10 performers every single day. So if you want to enjoy these type of polls, do attend my class. Today as well, there is a free class at 4 p.m. and then there is a very special class at 6:30 p.m. where we are doing geometric constructions. So in those geometric construction, I will draw. You will be able to see me drawing it, and you will also draw along with me, and you will send me the pictures and I will correct it. And all my class, the whole class on Unacademy platform, those who attend the free classes have become so good in constructions. So you guys should also attend. Okay, Aryan, Somesh? Now tell me the answer to this one quickly. Whether it should be 70, 110, 55 or 130. So Aryan is saying C. Okay, Somesh? Somesh? Is Aryan correct? So yes, Aryan is correct. If I draw the triangle like this, okay, what they are saying? They are saying, see, suppose I draw A, B and C. Okay, AB equal to BC. So this AB is equal to BC. So which two angles will be same? This angle and this angle. Hai na? Angle opposite to AB is C and angle opposite to BC is A. So these two angles will be same, isn't it? Let me rub this unnecessary things. Okay. So and they are saying that angle B is 70. They are saying angle B they have given 70 and these two will be same, so this will be x and x. So x plus 70 is giving me 180 degree. What is the reason? You always have to mention reason whenever you are writing in the exam. The reason is angle sum property, correct? Now 2x plus 70 is 180. So 2x will be equal to, I will take plus 70 on the other side, it becomes minus 70. So 180 minus 70 is 110. So x will be, my dear children, 110 divided by 2. So x will be 55 degree. Okay. And so your angle A will be 55 degree. That is your answer C. Very good, Aryan. Aryan, my name is Shagufta Jaipury, ma'am. Shagufta, Shagufta Jaipury, Jaipury. Okay, Aryan. So looking forward to have you in all my classes now. So today, Aryan, do attend. Today at 4 p.m. on Unacademy platform, I am doing linear equations in two variables, solving them by elimination method. So elimination method, I am an expert in doing that because we will take all the different types of questions, the questions involving roots, the questions involving fractions, and the complicated ones, and then I will give you a very good trick. So do join me today. For joining the special class, you will need a code. So my code is here, given here. See, SJ Ma'am Live. So note down this code, download the Unacademy app, okay, fill in everything, and then when they ask you to fill the code, give my code SJ Ma'am Live, and then you will be able to see my special free classes. Yeah, try to attend, Aryan. If you are not able to attend at 4 p.m., try to attend at 6:30 p.m. You will love the construction class. You will want to come to construction class each and every single day. Okay, we enjoy a lot there. Yes, SJ Ma'am Live. Chalo, let's go ahead. Now see the next question. For two triangles, if two angles and the included side, so the sandwich कौन है बीच में? Side is in between and there are two angles like this. So seeing the question, you have to first write this. If one of the triangle is equal to two angles and the included side of the other triangle, then the congruency rule is ASA. This was very easy. Now, tell me, Aryan, tell me this. A triangle in which two sides are equal is called, is it called scalene, equilateral, isosceles, or none of the above? So you were not there when I taught this. A triangle in which two sides are equal. We have done this in our earlier classes as well. In our 6th, 7th, 8th, we know what is a triangle with two sides equal known as. So if these two sides are equal, this triangle is known as what? Isosceles. Yes, it is an isosceles triangle. Now see, if ABC is an equilateral triangle, okay, so if there is a triangle which is an equilateral such that all the three sides are equal, then each angle equals to these, all the angles will be equal to what? Each angle will be equal to what? Aryan, each angle will be equal to Somesh? 60 degree. Yes, because if all of them are equal, x plus x plus x is equal to 180. So 3x equal to 180. So x equal to 180 divided by 3, which is equal to 60 degree. So all the angles in an equilateral triangle is 60 degree. Let's try this. The angles opposite to equal sides of a triangle are. Just now we did that property. So if these two sides are equal, if this side and this side are equal, suppose AB and AC are equal, then these angles, angle B and C, what is the relationship between angle B and C? Are they equal? Are they unequal? Are they supplementary or are they complementary? So these types, so whenever I teach a concept on Unacademy, immediately after the concept, I take questions like this and we enjoy a lot playing polls. Okay, Aryan, let me know. Aryan is saying C. No, Aryan, they are not they are not supplementary. The C, angles opposite to equal sides are always equal. We just now took this example now, that these two sides were equal. So this was also x and this is also x. And this one was, I think, 70. ऐसा example लिया था ना अभी हमने. So the answer is A. The angles opposite to equal side of a triangle are equal. Clear to you? Chalo, let's go ahead with the next question. Now this is an interesting question. Pay attention. If E and F are the midpoints of equal sides of AB and AC of a triangle ABC, then you have to choose out of 4 what it will be. So for this you have to draw the diagram perfectly. Okay, so equal sides AB and AC. So two sides are equal. So AB and AC are equal. Okay, these are equal sides. Okay, and E and F are the midpoints. So if this is E, this is F. So if E and F are midpoints, then BE will be equal to EA and AF will be equal to FC, isn't it? So they are saying, then will BF be equal to AC? See, if I join BF and EC like this, will BF be equal to AC? I can't say that. Will BF be equal to AF? BF will be equal to AF? No. CE equal to AB? CCE? CE is equal to this. And AE, there is no relation. No, they are not same. Then what is the last option? BF equal to CE. See, BF is this line and CE is this line. Yes, these two lines will be same. Why? Because these two triangles, can you see this triangle and then this triangle, these two are congruent. Why they are congruent? See, BC is same for them, BC is common for them. Now BE is half of AB and FC is half of AC, but they both were equal, so BE will be equal to FC. Okay, is that clear? So this and this will be equal. Bases are equal. Okay, what else? What else can you say? Hello Sumita. Yes Sumita, please ask me. Sumita, do ask me, beta. You're just writing, I want to ask something, I want to ask. Hello Sumita, please ask what you want to ask. Hi Sumita, I already said hi to you. Please ask what you want to ask. So see, so answer is D. See, AB and AC are equal sides. AB and AC is given. Angle A is also equal to angle A. This is the common angle. Okay, so if I take these two triangles, okay, so they have taken different triangles. Arre, I rubbed the whole film. Let me see what Sumita wants to ask. Sumita, others are able to hear better. Others are able to hear. So if these two are midpoints, B, E and F. So if I take this triangle and these triangles, these two triangles. Okay. Let me change the color. So if I take these triangles, this triangle and one more, this triangle. Okay, if I take these two triangles, then I can say AB equal to AC. Yes, AB equal to AC. I can say angle A equal to angle A. Okay, AB equal to AC, angle A equal to angle A. Also, this part of the triangle, AE is half of AB and AF is half of AC. So they are both equal. So AE equal to AF. So these two triangles are congruent. These two triangle ABF is congruent to triangle ACCE. See, ABF is congruent to ACE. Okay. Then I can say EC equal to CE equal to BF. Right? CE equal to BF by corresponding parts of corresponding triangle. Sumita, are you the same person who is there, who is always replying me in Zenith Academy online? Is it? I've given my number already there on my channel. I can't be giving my social links, my numbers here. Okay, so whatever you want to ask, you can ask me here itself. And I think others are able to hear. Aryan, are you able to hear? Aryan, do reply if you are able to hear me. Sumita, I have already replied. Beta, I can't give you your number, my number. Whatever you want to ask, you can ask here, beta. And so, Sumita, if you are not able to hear, you can leave the class and join again. Check your connection because my voice is really clear. I can hear it from my other account. Okay, Sumita? Okay. Now, Aryan, can you try this one? ABC is an isosceles triangle in which altitude BE and CF drawn equal to sides AC and AB respectively. Then what should be the answer? So, I am waiting for you. So, Sumita, if you are writing okay, I think you can hear. Sumita, I can't give you my number, but you can ask me any question here. So ask your questions in the chat. Yes, Sumita. Chalo. So ABC is an isosceles triangle in which altitudes BE and CF are drawn to equal sides AC and AB respectively. Okay, so let's first draw the diagram. So ABC is an isosceles triangle. It is an isosceles. So AB and AC are equal. No, they are saying AB and AC. So AB and AC are equal. So with altitudes BE and CF. So BE is an altitude which is drawn here. CF is an altitude which is drawn here. Okay. So it is a similar type of question. Then what should be? Is BE more than CF? No. Is BE less than CF? No. BE is equal to CF. Right? So same two triangles we will take. Same things we will prove and we will say that BE equal to CF. Right? Sumita, I already replied. Chalo, can we go ahead? Can we go ahead, Aryan? So the answer was C. Now, which of the following is not a criteria for congruence of triangles? We have studied this criteria. We have studied this criteria. We have also studied SSS criteria. So SSA is the only one which is not a criteria for congruence of triangles. I hope this is clear. I hope this is clear. Which of the following is not a criteria for congruence of triangles? ASA. Okay. Now, so these are the different types of questions, dear, that I come up with in my live classes. So, children, let me also tell you about Unacademy Plus subscription plans. These plans are at a very affordable price. You guys can join my Telegram channel. The link will be there in the description box. You can use my code SJMAMLive, okay, for unlocking the free classes. And also for if you are going for plus, then um, use this gift box here. Whenever you are making a payment, you will get a 10% discount if you are purchasing any courses. Okay, and it's very easy to subscribe to Unacademy Plus. You can choose from a lot of payment options. You can also pay in installments for more than 12 months of subscription. Also, there's a zero cost EMI option available for you. Sumita, beta, please don't spam the messages. There are people who are interested in learning. If you are not learning this, then don't spam the teacher. Okay, I have already replied you so many times that yes, I will come online, but still you are spamming and calling bad names to teachers, which is not a very good sign of a good teacher, good student. Okay, so don't do that. Chalo, let's go ahead. So children, these are the types of certificates that I give every day in my special live classes. So I want you all to attend my live classes and bag these type of certificates and enjoy the poll quiz that we take each and every day. Okay, so let's crack it on Unacademy, my dear children, and let's meet me. I want you all to meet me at 4 p.m. today and also at 6:30 p.m. where we will be doing constructions. Chalo, bye bye, my dear children, and let's crack it on Unacademy.